Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello Perlo. Hello friends. These are my friends from Sankadev College. Oh, you subscribers you gini Ahmad, yes.
Is it like good for long term to take it as a profession? How do you come up with content and idea? What will you do if YouTube gets shut down?
Like, share and subscribe. Kulay vi berapa lagi perlak perjor bispe ini video. Mentang sing le hikai college nak. Dia benar macam sang asyik kuat ha ban. Ban persang ini banok ban hikai college ban hikai ki kena. Kuliah tendeng apa jio kalar kecing jonga. Sementara pat sementara lah katukan ni ayo bhai gila banok ban lek ban ya. Dan mentah ki jaka kuliah ko magi college batiwai. Sementara sendiri nyo ban hikai college nak. Hikai kena tak bagi dia pakai di YouTube. Ya ki kena college sampai po Sankadev College no. Ayo benwanai hapo St Mary's College, hapo Ribhai Senior College, nata hapo Ribhai College tu kumju akhlak tambah keladan hikat tu kan itu lagi college bang layo bani jai. Manong kepur bang lagi ni college ni kenu ya ki kena fair ki jing keli fair ki jing emerjumut fair ki jing kwa jing nang jing tip fair. Imitasi ngin ya lechete kanungut kinnya dan kena ngamtip tenre kedai ka jing dan kampat banya sami kini jing tip jing na beta juga kena college. Oh, ngau malu pa. Sebecong. Pak, hikai ayu kemni. Laslam dos. Sankadev College. Oh. Hai, sorry kani belum ada college. Majuan teng sang ni kena masuk kat kolong no. Magalak her maka. Oi, oh kono. And I'm here with the students of Sankadev College. Can you make some noise? A little louder, please. Yes. So, I'm here with the students of Sankadev College, and we are here for the career guidance session with me. And I'm going to teach them about a little bit about what I do, and also teach them a little bit about what they can do with what they have. Right? Yes? So how many of you have tried in your lifetime to be a content creator? Can you just raise your hand up? Anyone who are trying to be through your Instagram account, through your YouTube channel? Some hands please? No one? My goodness, why have they called me here? We don't have hands yet, but let's see at the end of the session, let's see if they have at least one hand. Ngadan ni mentah kani di Sankadev College kalau kau dengan lebenta jong kani ka career guidance program hang ni hak baki don kini kena ki babun ba. Kalau kali mentah ngong kanu na dai sugi ki bakwa belum content creator, YouTuber, lani influencer kim dan merakti. Kwa rakti mentah. Dan ya. This is a free promotion for you. If you want to be one, this is a free promotion for you because I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. Yes, we have one. Yeah, right. Ingin pek susu ni lai keren hadir juga ni keren. Kanung nak tengok ki don ban. Ki don kum kata kecing kuah, mau kata kecing kerang. So, how many of you want to become a content creator? Angku and Sonam here. These are the budding YouTubers here from Sankadev College, and they will help me. Yes. And I'll keep their links, their YouTube links down in the description, where you can go and then subscribe to their channel.
I'm from Arunachal,
Right?
Kambing district.
Oh, lovely. And then what do you do in your YouTube channel?
I used to go around here and there, tourist place, tourist attraction.
Oh, lovely.
My YouTube channel name is Mr. Roy Special. So,
This is how we do vlogging. Hello Perlo. Hello friends. These are my friends from Sankadev College. So we have, how many of you have subscribed to my channel? Ayah. Oh, you subscribers you gini Ahmad. Yes. Let's see what questions do we have from Sankadev College.
Like now I'm young, now to take it as a profession? Yeah, that's my question.
Ngidan Hangniru, we have a very dear friend by Eliza as part of the session. Thank you, by Eliza. And he'll be sharing a lot of insights again from his expertise. Now I'm taking all the time, all of his time now. And let's see. Hey, please don't be angry. No?
How do you come up with content and idea while actively making content?
So what's the amount of number of subscribers and watch hour do we need to start on?
What will you do if YouTube gets shut down by today? Like for example, if there's a malfunction and you cannot access YouTube anymore, then how will you? Have you ever gotten copyright and how to deal with it?
Suppose now we created a YouTube channel now, right? How do we boost or how do we grow that? Because we can't just start earning from the bottom. We have to grow, right? So how do you grow that? I need your personal insights on that.
Okay. I think this is the first time you see someone giving seminar and vlogging at the same time, huh?
There's too many pictures.
I think I am the tallest person in the building. And oh, we have competitors. Oh, nice. All right. Now, let's do this first. What do you usually say when you open a YouTube channel? Hello, guys. Yeah. All right. We'll say that. Okay, we'll say that. I think Eliza here is a pro. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay? All right. 1, 2, 3.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yes. After the video ends, what do you say? Hit share, and subscribe. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3. Like, share, and subscribe. A big round of applause for everyone. Yes. Oh, perlu ngilai dap nang ni hindi mino. Kita bersyukur bagi kena. Pulih ni buat sang terdaf. Lepas ini video saya hit, saya like, saya subscribe, và saya comment apa mo. Gila ai jingkli ke bahit but baidon yo baidon lang bat iba Eliza rumane. Ke ngini ya nyo ini nang ni. Kung kapag abdas mentah kalong ba. Aki college kita kini mentah kila ai kini dak kurs ke ba yo ban hikai bun ke ka pher ba haki por ke jongi macam nhìn judan cũng kini kerja session banong banyo banwan le ni nanti yo don menye jaitu ban le roh teman dengan 4 mau pahadu kata-kata kendari mentah kini kilaya wanra nak kalian constitution kila wanra gibon ha kini kum kini kita terus ke bagi kena yo ban nang ban tip di mentah sini ro yo ban hikai niat pang ke YouTube ha kana kedur kila ban long YouTube ni YouTuber kila biru dia kwa ban esi dia kwa kini kijan kila ban ya komen hapo kalau di school jong sini college jong sini Nila Banwan, Tanai, Port Hambun, Nila Milik Ha. Sama Udi, nak Jepri, lagi kuli ke behit. Kalau biru dia kuat abang dan bentah pun kita juga suka abang nang sekarang kita bentah di YouTube. Dengan sa pusang menonrak itu ke kurs ke bala lesi ke bala abang hikai lang ya biru di babun apa yang kita lesi di bakwa abang long YouTuber ni bala benda YouTube mo. Saya siam yang mapi kau pakai video kau boleh sebut. Ini syah slap no syah sipang. Teneu.